Yoga Karmasu Kaushalam.
Namaskar. I don't think that I have to introduce myself now. I guess we know each other. You know me. We have worked together for about 30 days. My team has been working for more than 1.5 months before these 30 days. That means I would like to say 45 days ahead of this, before of this, and 30 days. So we have worked for about 75 days for this program. And maybe I know that we will work for at least more 15 days for this program. So my team and our HRDC will work for this program at least for 90 days. But I am very happy that all of you have worked for 30 days. Congratulations to all the participants and best wishes for a successful academic and personal career. I would like to convey the best wishes on behalf of the chairman UGC, all the dignitaries who conveyed their wishes, the dignitaries like the Governor of Gujarat, the Chief Minister of Gujarat, the Education Ministers of Gujarat, the Ministers of Central Government, the officers of MHRD, the officers of AIU, Professor Dr. Himanshu Pandya, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University, Dr. Jagdish Bhavsar, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor of Gujarat University, Dr. P.M. Patel, Honorable Registrar of Gujarat University, the team of UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University, myself, Jagdish Joshi, my professor, Dr. C.G. Brahmbhatt, my another professor, Dr. Preeti Mayani, my administrative staff members, Mr. Rushi Pandya, Ms. Janki Ben, Ms. Peenal Ben, Ms. Jalak Ben, Ms. Daksha Ben, Yash, Kalpesh, and all the team members of Gujarat University. So on behalf of all these dignitaries and the members, I would like to convey the best wishes, heartfelt wishes for your successful career and bright future. Friends, this is a valedictory function. And I would like to give you some tips. I would like to advise you for your career on this valedictory function. There are quite a few things which I would like to talk about. One is the material which you have provided, the videos which you have provided. They are tremendous treasure. If you treasure this for your lifetime, this will be very useful to you. Try to learn things from this. It will change your life. It will change your professional career. I'm very sure that this will be an asset for you and you will become an asset for your institution if you follow this. There are quite a few suggestions which I would like to give you for your career. Like a Dikshant Pravachan, like a convocation address, I would like to talk about this conclusion of Guru Dakshata program. And in Guru Dakshata, I would like to talk about who can be the Daksha Guru, who can be an able Guru. All of you are able Gurus, all of you are perfect Gurus, all of you are perfect teachers and trainers. But to make yourself little better, we should work hard. We should have to work on that. Sachin Tendulkar plays in each match, but for each match he has to work hard. Like that for each lecture we have to prepare. Like that for each day of our career we have to equip ourselves and we have to practice a lot. I would like to suggest you that make a diary. Make one diary. If you really want to make it a physical diary, you can do that. You can make a digital diary, whatever you are interested in, or you can have diary in your mind. When you wake up in the morning, plan your day. Think about the day, that how will you spend your day. When you are planning, think of at least one thing which will be useful to you for your profession. Think of some action, at least one action, which you will perform for your professional development. Now, when you go to sleep, before sleep, think of it that whatever you have thought in the morning, have you accomplished that task? Have you completed that task for yourself? Really, have you developed yourself? Really, have you looked at the professional development task which you have decided for yourself? If you have done that, that is fine. Every day, one task for yourself. This one task a day will change your life. Think of your professional development, the profession in which you are working. How can you perform in a better way? How can you perform in a better than yesterday? That is what is more important. Compete with yourself. Try to be better yourself than a moment before, than a day before, than a month before. Don't compete with anybody else in the world. Look at your potential. Identify your potential. Decide the goals and follow them. Compete with yourself every day. Try to make yourself little better each moment. Don't compete, but collaborate with others. Make a team, and the teamwork will speak. You already have a team of about 100 people with you who have worked in Guru Dakshta along with you. Make a team of your students, make a team of your colleagues, make a team of people whomsoever you think that they are professionally important to you or professionally helpful to you. Now this team can help you. This is a time of teamwork and this is a time of collaboration. You should develop a team of like-minded people. You should develop a team of people who can complement you. Say, for example, I'm good in English. Then I should not search for people who are good in English. But whatever I'm not good in, say, for example, I'm not good in IT. I should have at least a friend, a professional friend who is good in IT. If I'm not good in English language, I should have a friend, professional friend who is good in English language. That is how I should have collaboration with national people, local people, and international people. And I can have collaboration with people of the same fraternity and of different subject. This team can really work for betterment of professionalism, better professional reasons, better professional results. Updation is very necessary. It is said that update or outdate. The moment we buy mobile, just within half an hour, if you go and search, people will say that, okay, new mobile model has come. If after 1 week or 10 days or 15 days, if you go and check it out on the websites or at the company, they will say, okay, we got new updated model. So the moment we buy it, new model come and it becomes a second one or third one or maybe outdated. So we have to update ourselves. We have to be current. We have to be relevant. We should know what young generation wants. What is happening in the world? What is happening in my subject? What is happening in different technologies? This is very much important for all of us to know and update ourselves. Accept the changes. Change is only constant. Change is something which happens regularly. So don't run away from changes, but accept changes. Now I would like to tell you something about your professional development. Attend at least one international conference with a paper. You have to present at least one research paper in an international conference in a year. Remember these laws as a golden rules of your professional development. First, present a paper, one paper at least in an international conference in a year. Present at least 2 papers in national conferences in a year. Publish at least one research paper in a CARE listed journal or internationally reputed journal. Apply for minimum 1 research project. I know what I'm saying. I'm not saying that complete 1 research project. I'm saying that apply for at least 1 research project in a year. Travel internationally for some international project at least once in 3 to 4 years. Complete PhD if you have not completed. And when you have completed PhD or when you complete your PhD, try to become supervisor of PhD. Produce good PhD scholars. Produce quality research. Produce useful research. Be a part of allied and co-curricular activities. Try to be a part of NSS, NCC, competitions, other related activities, NGOs, whatever you feel like. Try to become part of such curricular, co-curricular, allied, and related activities. Work till your satisfaction. You should work for your satisfaction, not the satisfaction of the administration. You work because you like. Work for your students. Work for yourself. Work for your institution. That is very important. You may like somebody, you may not like somebody. Today X is the head of department. Today Y is the principal. Today Z is the vice chancellor. They will come and go. Institution will not die. Your institution should be known by your name. Work such a hard and work for your satisfaction, not for the satisfaction of others. There is nobody in the world who will make you happy unless you make yourself happy. As I told you, be in the network of academicians. We are always there. I would like to say we means our HRDC, our Gujarat University is always there for your professional development. We are an institute of professional development. This is the institution which is meant for you and me. You are now part of this UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University's family. I welcome you all to the family of this UGC HRDC. We extend our family with each program. With conclusion of each program, with valedictory of each program, we extend our family. You may share your innovative ideas with us. You may share whatever you think that will be useful to professional development, will be useful to others for their professional development. I invite all of you to become resource person of this HRDC. You can send me your biodata. If you are confident, you can send me your topics, that these are the topics on which you would like to render your services as a resource person. We invite openly those whosoever are good. We will certainly try it out. And we would like to extend our family of resource persons also. If you would like to do something innovative in collaboration with us, with collaboration with your institution and my institution, with collaboration of your university and Gujarat University, we are open to it. We are ready for it. There are many odds in life. There are many adverse situations, but you can make it. See, friends, I know that there are hundreds of problems. There are institutional problems, there are personal problems, there are professional problems, there is a problem of head of department, there is a problem of principal, there is a problem of registrar, there is a problem of vice chancellor, there is a problem of myself, yourself, whatnot. But this is the reality. We cannot change the world. We can change ourselves. Try best for yourself. You can make it. We can do it. The future of India, the future of our students is in your hands. Your 2 words may change the life of your student. You know, your words are so impactful on the lives of your students. If you spread negativity, your students' life will get ruined. If you spread positivity, they will excel. Your just 2 words, whatever you speak about their career, whatever you speak to motivate them, that will change their lives. So try to be positive. Try to motivate your students. Be in connection with this HRDC. This is your and my institute. When I say our institute, you and I'm talking about both of us. This is our institute. Now, how will you get connected? You can get connected through our website. It is dynamic and it has a lot of information. So you can join various programs. You can suggest it to others. There is a journal. You know that our journal is indexed and it is registered in Crossref. So you can publish your articles. You can send your research papers to us. There is a WhatsApp group, which all of you know. Even you have my WhatsApp number. You can message me. You have my email address. You can message me. This is how we can get connected. Don't try to call me. See, it may be possible that I'm busy with some meeting. I'm busy with some recording, so I may not pick up your call. But yes, I'll try my best to reply to your emails. I'll try my best to reply to your WhatsApp messages whenever I'll get time. So this is how we will get connected. I want all of us to get connected. Now let's talk about your results. We will work out on your results. Those who were not able to submit their submissions in time, we give them 1 week's time to submit it. From today, within 1 week, you need to submit. You have to complete all your submissions if you have not submitted. We will process the final results after 1 week. That means after these all final submissions. See, we are your institute. This is our institute. We would like to help each participant to get certificate. But you also have to help me to give you certificate. We will not give the marks for individual tests. We will give you the final grade along with the certificates. It may take 1 week's time. After 1 week, that means total 15 days time. We will instruct about getting or downloading certificates on Google Classroom and in WhatsApp group that how can you download your certificate? How can you get your certificate? The Google Classroom will be closed after 15 days. After we will issue certificate, after one date will decide and you have to download your certificate on that day only. Or maybe we will give you 2-3 days to download it. After that, we will close the Google Classroom. So all of you are requested to copy, download, bookmark, whatever material you are interested in, whatever videos you are interested in, you should copy their links. You should copy their material. You can download the material that is open source, that is for you only. But we will close the Google Classroom because we have to run other Google Classrooms as well. So, and this is a very good treasure which you can use for your whole lifetime. Now it's a time to thank. I would like to thank all the participants, all of you, for your active participation. I could see that you, all of us, motivated my team. Your kind, humble, and motivating words really boosted the confidence of my team and myself. Your words are very important to us. You are very important to us because you are a part of our family. Now, this HRDC is not my HRDC. It is our HRDC. So we all are one. And it is very necessary that we should motivate each other. And your motivation is really very useful to us. And I thank you, all of you, from bottom of my heart, on behalf of all the members of HRDC, team of Gujarat University, and team of UGC Human Resource Development Center of Gujarat University. I would like to thank all the resource persons on behalf of you and HRDC, on behalf of all the participants and the team of HRDC and Gujarat University. With this, friends, I would like to end my speech here. I would like to tell you that let's grow together. We together can make a difference. And friends, this HRDC, my team of HRDC is always there for you. Best wishes and congratulations to all of you.